In today's video, we will be looking at different AI free tools for animation makers. You will discover amazing tools that will help you as a beginner animator. Let's begin. 1. Animator. Animator is a platform that meets to both beginners and professionals in the field of video creation. Animator is a powerful tool for creating creative videos thanks to its character builder, modeling tools, and smart move feature. Making videos with Animator is incredibly easy thanks to its user-friendly drag-and-drop interface. Producing impressive videos is made easy with a wide range of resources at your disposal. With over 100 million stock videos and photos, as well as over 1,000 templates, you'll have everything you'll need. 2. Blender. Blender is an impressive software that allows you to create both 2D and 3D animations. Blender's Grease Pencil is a standout feature for 2D animations. This tool enables users to easily create 2D animations within a 3D environment, resulting in improved perspective and clarity during the drawing process. In addition to its 2D capabilities, Blender is widely recognized for its extensive range of 3D animation features. These include modeling, sculpting, auto-rigging, and motion capture. These features make the entire animation process feel effortless and straightforward. One of the standout features is its capability to generate movements that adhere to the principles of physics, leading to animations that are both seamless and lifelike. Blender provides a wide range of features, allowing users to explore countless possibilities in animation creation. 3. Steve.ai. Steve AI is an easy-to-use platform that allows you to effortlessly create animated videos. With a vast library of props, characters, and backgrounds, you can bring your ideas to life in no time. Themes and templates can be utilized to expedite the process and automatically generate scripts. For instance, Steve AI can be utilized to create a lifelike dialogue between two characters in a video game, considering their facial expressions and the conversation's context. 4. Audio to Face. Audio to Face is a user-friendly software that effortlessly generates facial animation based on audio input. Your audio is uploaded and processed by a pre-trained deep neural network, resulting in real-time facial animation. You also have the option to utilize the tool for adjusting post-processing parameters in order to enhance your character's performance. 5. Deep Motion. Deep Motion is an online animation tool that utilizes AI technology to transform videos into captivating 3D animations. The interface is designed to be easy to use, making it accessible for beginners. This tool creates animations that can be viewed immediately. Creators have the ability to enhance their 3D animations with features such as face and hand tracking and motion smoothing, providing them with more control and flexibility. The AI-powered physics simulations are capable of producing highly realistic movements. Users can effortlessly modify the character's movements and motion curves. Deep Motion lacks some advanced features in rigging and keyframing, which puts it behind other animation tools. 6. Movavi. Movavi is a company that provides a variety of software products for video editing, photo editing, and screen recording. The interface is designed to be intuitive and accessible, allowing users of all skill levels to effortlessly produce professional videos and images. Movavi Video Editor provides a range of customizable templates, filters, effects, and tools to enhance your content. Movavi is a reliable choice for users seeking a robust multimedia software suite. 7. Runway. Runway is an easy-to-use online platform that allows you to create and modify animated videos. There are 3 methods available for generating animations: Gen 1, Gen 2, and frame interpolation. Gen 1 generates videos by utilizing an existing video, whereas Gen 2 generates videos based on prompts. The prompts can come in different formats, such as text, images, or a combination of both. There are over 20 presets to choose from, allowing you to select an animation style that suits your preferences. Frame interpolation transforms a series of images into a captivating animated video. Runway's editing tools offer a range of features, such as color grade, scene detection, motion tracking, and depth of field, to enhance your videos. Runway offers a useful editing tool called Blur Faces that utilizes AI to identify and blur faces. Runway's AI animation tools do not provide editing options for individual elements in the video, setting it apart from other platforms. Editing the video is limited to making changes to the entire video at once. 8. Gleastar. Gleastar allows you to easily animate mascots by selecting a character and entering your message. You can easily transform 2D and 3D visual designs into a 3D animated character. This tool is great for creating straightforward character animations that can be generated in just a few minutes. The characters can be given facial expressions and emotions. Unfortunately, the tool's capabilities are limited with only 20 characters and 12 backgrounds to choose from. 9. Biteable. Biteable is a user-friendly video editing solution that allows businesses to easily create videos using animations, stock footage, and images all in one place. Agencies have the ability to customize created content by adding watermarks, logos, audio, and text as needed. The platform provides a wide range of templates that allow organizations to easily create custom promotions, training material, announcements, infographics, trailers, presentations, slideshows, and more. Biteable offers a range of features that make it easy for businesses to manage their videos, including downloading, embedding, trimming, and selling. In addition, organizations have the ability to combine footage and transform images into videos. 10. Animated drawings. Animated drawing is an online tool that offers a user-friendly way to transform children's artwork into animated creations. Users must upload a drawing that meets the specified conditions for it to be detected by the AI and transformed into an animation on this platform. After the drawing is uploaded, the tool utilizes AI to distinguish the characters from the background and identify the joint points of the characters. Users have the option to select from a diverse range of animation choices offered on the platform. This AI-powered animation tool is incredibly efficient, bringing your drawings to life in a matter of seconds. 11. Synfig Studio. With Synfig Studio, you can enjoy the benefits of free and open-source 2D animation software. It is designed to make the animation process more efficient by using vector tweening. This means you don't have to draw each frame manually. It has the ability to handle multiple layers of different types, making it easier to create complex animations. Synfig is perfect for individuals who want to create intricate 2D animations without the high expenses or complex processes typically found in other similar software. 12. Pencil 2D Animation. Pencil 2D is a user-friendly animation software that emphasizes simplicity and ease of use. Artists can easily create 2D animations using a combination of bitmap and vector graphics. The interface is designed to be easy to use, making it a perfect option for newcomers or those who prefer a simpler and straightforward animation experience. 13. Cricky AI. Cricky AI is an online platform that enables users to easily create 3D animations using AI technology. Using Cricky.ai, users can effortlessly transform their videos or text into captivating 3D animations. In addition to these two choices, the platform also provides users with a 3D animation editor that offers a wide range of options. These options include hand gestures, camera angles, facial expressions, and animation. In addition, users have the ability to create scripts for the animated characters. Occasionally, users may encounter lagging issues and longer load times when using the platform. 14. OpenTunes. OpenTunes is a user-friendly animation software that provides a variety of features for scanning and painting. It is widely used by professional animators and studios. It offers a wide range of brushes, effects, and tools that can be customized to suit both traditional and digital animation techniques. OpenTunes is widely favored by animators around the globe due to its versatility and robust set of features. 15. NVIDIA Omniverse Machinima. NVIDIA Omniverse Machinima is advanced software that enables users to collaborate in 3D workflows. It offers robust tools and lifelike rendering that allows users to easily remix, recreate, and redefine animated storytelling. Now, thanks to the AI-powered tool called Audio to Face, you can easily generate lifelike facial expressions using only an audio input. Omniverse Machinima utilizes motion capture technology to generate 3D animated characters that accurately replicate human movements. The simulation tools are incredibly powerful and allow you to create highly realistic simulations, including explosions. 16. Krita. Krita is widely recognized as a digital painting application, and it has expanded its capabilities to include powerful animation features. Many illustrators and concept artists love using it because of its wide range of brushes and user-friendly interface. Krita is a versatile tool that supports frame-by-frame raster animation, allowing you to create detailed animations and artwork. 17. Wick Editor. Wick Editor is a user-friendly tool that allows you to create games, animations, and more without any cost. It is also an open-source platform. It seamlessly merges the features of a drawing tool with the capabilities of coding, enabling users to effortlessly transform their ideas into interactive projects. The web-based interface of this platform is designed to be easily accessible for beginners. It also serves as a useful tool for educators to teach programming fundamentals using animation. 18. Plask Motion. Plask is a user-friendly platform that allows users to easily create animations using motion capture technology. The interface is designed to be easy to use, making it accessible for users of all levels, including beginners. Users have the option to fine-tune the motion data on a frame-by-frame basis, although this may result in slightly longer video rendering times. Plask Motion is lacking in editing options compared to other advanced AI animation tools, which may make it less suitable for some users. 19. Clara.io. Clara.io is a user-friendly cloud-based 3D animation, modeling, and rendering software that provides a wide range of tools for creating intricate 3D scenes, animations, and realistic artwork. It works seamlessly in your web browser without requiring any complex hardware or software installations. Clara.io is a great choice for both professionals and hobbyists. It offers accessibility and flexibility, allowing you to easily create 3D models for rapid prototyping and product visualization. 20. LightMV. LightMV is a user-friendly video animation software that allows you to easily create high-quality video animations. LightMV makes video creation easy for users of all skill levels, with its wide selection of templates for different themes and occasions. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, allowing for effortless customization of text, images, and music. This makes it a great option for creating captivating social media videos and presentations, or for personal use.